Hey guys, just Cindy here. Welcome back and thank you so much if you're watching this video. I've been away. I had the flu and it was really bad, so I am just happy to be feeling well enough to film again. I felt just awful. We'll just leave it at that. So we're going to talk about Beautyfix. Let's get into this right now. Okay, so Beautyfix. This is a skincare box primarily. I mean, you very rarely do get a makeup item, and by makeup I mean, you know, like a lippy eyeshadow. I don't think I've ever gotten eyeshadow. And I could be totally wrong. You can correct me if you subscribe to this and you know, but it's for skincare, and I love this box. Now it's been a while since I signed up. I've been with them for over a year, and it is my most expensive box after taxes. I'm not sure the price is. I think it's like the $25.99 or something. The base price, maybe it's just $26, and then with tax, it's close to $30. Put it that way. So. But I've gotten some amazing things in here. In January, I got something amazing that I got from them a few months ago, and early in the year, they send several juice products. I think they sent maybe 3. It could have been just 2. I'm not sure. But this is a peel. Yeah. I'm not really into the messy masks, as I've said, but this is nice if I remember to put it on, you know, and sit there for a few minutes before I shower. That's the only thing I use any messy mask for these days. I use sheet masks, and I hardly use them. Okay, so last month, just, you know, so maybe I don't mind showing you guys, but honestly, I don't remember everything that was in there. But this was the Shining Star. It's like $79 value, and it's all thermal oven. It's a retinol cream intensive. It's a skin cream for I can't remember, was it day or night? I haven't even used it yet, guys. For wrinkles, loss of elasticity, and radiance. And I do believe I did have a box, so that was dumb of me to throw it away, so I'm gonna have to look it up how to use it online. But I love whenever they have like a pump. I love, you know, even the pump, like if you know the e.l.f. bubble mask, that sort of pump. I just like the cleanliness of it. A lot of my skincare that I buy and pay a lot of money for, I wish they had different packaging. If it's gonna cost me $79, no, but it's not cheap what I pay for Josie Moran. I'm giving you a shout out, girl, Josie Moran. That's mostly who I use for my daytime routine. Which, if you want to see that, let me know so I can try to film that for you guys. Anyways, so let's get into this box. Beautyfix, and it comes very simple packaging, which I personally I don't really care if it's pretty packaging or not. The pretty is nice, but I am like I've mentioned before, BoxyCharm, their packaging is incredibly simple, but personally, I believe it probably allows them to help to add value to the box. And to me, that's what's most important. well, first of all, the packaging hold up, of course, but most important is that I'm getting a great value for my money. That's, you know, that's incredible. But we're talking about Beautyfix. So, Beautyfix. Here's the little card they send you. They do not give prices, so I'm not going to be able to tell you prices. Did not research all of these this month. I had last month, but anyways, or at least I maybe I'd seen that other one. But they send usually 2, maybe 3 full-size products, and most of their products really are actually what I would put in the category of deluxe. Unlike, you'll see, or maybe by the time this comes out, you will have already seen if I put it out, because I feel it necessary. So let's just start off with Beautyfix. This month's theme is Red Carpet Ready. A little late, I think. I don't know. I don't watch the Grammys and all that stuff, but I do believe most of things have already occurred, but that's okay. It's not like I'm going. So first is the Lancer Skincare Lift and Plump Sheet Mask. It's just one. And I typically like to see full sizes in my boxes of these products. So this this is a face mask, and I believe it was pretty expensive for a face mask from what I saw somewhere. I told you I'm a picker, so I know a little bit of what's coming in here. Okay, next, the Manna Kadar Cosmetics Glow. I actually already have this. I love it. If you watch my ColourPop video, I show you how I do my foundation, and I do it with different foundations because I use different ones, but I have, you know, a couple favorites, etc., etc. And I usually throw some sort of liquid highlighter in there to give more luminosity to my aging skin, because it can use that. Up next is the Alon, and that is the lanolin-rich conditioner, nail conditioner, sorry. And that is 0.35 ounces. I would say that is deluxe size. It's, you know, that might even be darn near full size. This item right here, this is actually full size, I believe. I saw that. This is one of the full size items. And it is Traditional by Nick Chavez. Horsetail Root Lifting Spray. So I'm excited about that. That's 2 months in a row in this box. That's something else that I did get last month. Probably won't need to put out the video, but I got Caviar Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist, and I've used this a couple times. I like it. It does give me more volume than I need. I don't really need more volume, but nevertheless, I love sprays, and if they smell good, let's see if I can see how this spray smells. Yeah, it smells nice and clean. So Nick Chavez, Traditional, nice and clean smell. I will be using this. I use a ton of hair products, and not all at the same time, but darn near. And I have found some great, one of my faves, Beauty Protector. Somebody was asking me about what is in my hair. It smells like cupcakes, and if you have Birchbox, you probably have gotten a sample of this, but I freaking love it. I love it so much. I found this, and then what is the brand of this? Davines, the all-in-one milk. And they both do basically the same thing, but kind of OCD and weird. And stick around and you'll just see how weird I get sometimes. Anyhow. Okay, on to the next thing. It is Red Clean Skincare Ready Steady Glow Daily AHH Tonic. That's interesting. I'll have to look. Let's look at the card on that one. What's trending in the award season gifting suites? Popular and potent natural skincare. Cocktail to alleviate fine lines, acne, and visible pores. This newcomer breathes new life to your complexion. Ooh. Use day and night for skin that's renewed, refreshed, and totally red carpet ready. Well, I'm really excited, guys. And this is 1.7 ounces. This is actually, sometimes they do have much smaller things. And I know these are, you know, likely deluxe, but that's what I mean. There's another box that I'm breaking up with. And you will see. Now this I would consider definitely a sample. And I think I've maybe gotten this before. La roche-posay, I don't know if I'm saying that right, for normal to dry skin. And I can't remember if I fill out a beauty profile at all for this or not. I apologize. It's been way too long and way too many things have happened. This is just a daily repairing moisturizing lotion. I get so much skincare that I don't even get to a lot of it, which I've mentioned before. So, you know, I give it away. Sometimes I'll send it to you guys. A lot of the skincare stuff I save for my daughter because I love her and she loves skincare. Anyways, the last thing in the box is Replenix All Trans Retinol. It's time-release delivery system, 90% green tea polyphenols. Okay. Let's show you. That's a picture on the back. That's a before, well, baseline, so before and after. Clinical improvements in just 6 weeks. Skin appears younger. Skin is brighter, more even toned. Skin is visibly smoother. Pores are less visible or noticeable. Directions: avoid eye area, apply to clean skin once daily in the evenings or as directed by your physician. So this is an evening cream. Yay! I usually just get, you know, sometimes they call them specifically day creams. I'm like, well, who said you had to be day? You can go on night. So that is Beautyfix. I actually really love this box. I'm not gonna put my name on the line, but they do send great skincare products that it's worth the value to me. And as you notice, so happens we got 2 months in a row hair care, and you know what, they do send a decent amount of hair care stuff. I have a lot of my hair stuff right here. This is one thing I know I got from them last year, and I love it. But you can see now. Keep in mind, I do use a lot of other things because I get a lot of samples and stuff like that. And I pay for everything myself. These beauty boxes, that with the samples, it's not like I'm being having them given to me. But it's super finished, polishing balm. It's smooth. It's a smoothing balm, and you know, for my hair, even when I wear it like, you know, kind of scrunched, wavy, that's what I call my lazy hair. I still have to put several products in my hair just to try to keep it from being frizzy, and it doesn't work completely. And I've even tried, you girl, I love you, sister. I have it, Joyco. I love you, but I love it. Don't get me wrong. It holds and everything, but my hair and the humidity here, but I know where you're at. I don't want to say your name because I don't have your permission. But my gosh. If anyone has suggestions, I'll try it for frizzy hair, but I have not found it yet. And don't tell me argan oil, please. I have argan oil. I put that in my hair. I've tried most things, but if you know of something completely amazing, other than what my stylist suggested, you know, getting a Brazilian blowout, which she charges $199, and I really don't know a lot about Brazilian blowouts, but how long could it really last? If I am wrong about that, tell me so, because if it's worth $199, to be honest with you, I shampoo one time a week because my hair is just so, it's already so dry and frizzy. Even with putting if you know anything about all the products that I've showed you, a lot of them are moisturizing. I use hair oil. I go to town on my hair, and still it doesn't matter. I have to, even straight ironing, blow drying, all of the whole bit, if I do that, and I don't. So it's not heat damaged. I get my hair colored. It had been, oh my gosh, it had been over a year since I had gotten my hair colored. So I don't think it's damaged from that either. Maybe from not cutting it enough. If you're a hairstylist or really into hair, which, I mean, I'm into hair, but my sister was the one who used to tell me not so much about products, but just she used to do my hair and stuff, and she can make it look completely awesome. So anyways, enough about hair. Okay, so Beautyfix. If you are interested in a skincare box, and then sometimes you may see I can't remember if I've gotten a lippy, but every once in a while you'll see like a small beauty product of some sort. And by beauty, what I mean is non-skincare, because skincare is a beauty product, but something that goes on top of the skincare. How about that? And then you do see, you know, samples of shampoos and conditioners, and then some hair products, stuff like that. And a lot of people who are into their skin are also into hair. But I will say that it seems like they promise 6 to 7 items, and I think they say 3 to 4 are full size. They have been true to their word. I think only one time I got 6 items, and it was something, and it was really expensive, and maybe it was last month. I can't remember now, but nevertheless, I love this. Thumbs up on this. Here's to Beautyfix. Here's to you guys. I love y'all. Have a good night. Mwah.